Hello my dear students, welcome back to your channel Brilliant Minds by Neeru. Students, in this video we'll be studying lesson 9 of your book, The Fairy's Basket. Okay, so first I'll be discussing the question answers with you. A part, who said this? Match the sentences to the names. First, I see you found lots of berries. I will show you where you find some. This basket is made of gold. You have a kind heart. And the matching words जो इनके सामने है, names हैं, वो हैं fairy, mother, Ali and old woman. So let me see the answers. इसके answers हैं, सबसे पहले I see you found lots of berries. किसने कहा था ये? Old woman. See the picture of old woman here. Then I will show you where to find some. Ali said. Okay, ये देखिए अली की पिक्चर है आपके सामने. Third, this basket is made of gold. Mother, yes, mother said so. Now next is, you have a kind heart. Who said? Fairy. Fairy said this. See the picture of fairy here. Okay, now next question, B part. Read these sentences. Write names for the underlined words. He picked berries from the forest. So here you have to tell the name of this underlined word. Means who is he? She thanked Ali for his kindness. Who is she here? She was very worried. It was bright and shiny. So let me see the answers. He here means Ali. Ali picked berries from the forest. Next is, she here means the old woman. She was very worried. Who is she? She here means mother. See the picture of mother? It was bright and shiny. It here means the basket. See the picture of basket. Now, C part. Answer these questions. Where did Ali live? Who did Ali see on the way back home? Why could the old woman not walk any further? What did the old woman give Ali in exchange for the berries? What will the golden basket give mother and Ali? So, the answers are, first question, where did Ali live? Ali lived near a forest. See in the picture all? See here? Ali is standing here and in the back side you can see the hut. So, he is living in the near a forest. Second, who did Ali see on the way back home? Ali saw an old lady on the way back home. See here in the picture, this is from your book only. Third question, why could the old woman not walk any further? The old woman couldn't walk any further because she was too tired. Number 4, what did the old woman give Ali in exchange for the berries? The old woman gave her bright and shiny basket to Ali. She gave her bright and shiny basket to Ali. And this is the picture of basket which she gave to Ali. Number 5. What will the golden basket give mother and Ali? The golden basket gave food, clothes, books and whatever mother and Ali needed. Next is, fill in the blanks with words from the box. So, few words are given here: from, because, which, does and can't. You have to fill the suitable words in these blanks. Okay? First, dash of these books do you like the best? To be does not like carrots but her mother, dash. I dash lift this box, it is too heavy. I did not go out, dash it was raining. I took a piece of cake, dash the plate. So answers are, which of these books do you like the best? Which words in the first one? Second, Shubi does not like carrots but her brother does. Third, I can't lift this box, this is too heavy. Number 4, I did not go out because it was raining. Number 5, I took a piece of cake from the plate. Clear? Let us move to next page. Rewrite these sentences with the opposites of the underlined words. It is cold outside, toffees are sweet. skipping rope is long, big fish in this river, I lifted a heavy box. Okay, so you have to rewrite. Like, instead of cold, you have to write its opposite. It is hot. It is hot outside. The toffee tastes sweet. The opposite of it will be toffee tastes sour. My skipping rope is long. My skipping rope is short. I saw a big fish in the river. I saw a small fish in the river. I lifted a heavy box. I lifted a light box. Clear? So, here ends the chapter. I hope you loved the lesson. Stay tuned. Keep watching my videos. Till then, bye bye. Wait for my next video. Bye bye.